BBMP, the engineers, the stakeholders, the entire team of Indian CST, Karnataka Police Housing Corporation, and all the other partners who have been made this possible. What we have done here is we have enabled BBMP to give their citizens the view of what is going on and what all works they have done so far. The advantage of the system is anybody, which I will be showing, can just log in and see their projects in their own ward, in their own locality, and also contribute to that particular project to enhance and give helping hand to BBMP so that every citizen in their own area monitors and brings up the project and helps them to deliver. Now what is happening here is 33,000 projects, which has never happened before, is now online. This is what BBMP engineers have done over a period of 1.5 years. And still they are putting the data which has never happened, because the data, you should pardon them, because this is the amount of information which they made it publicly available. And slowly, nearly about 85% of the data is available. Another 10 to 15% data is coming in, and where the system will be available for everybody to use. So now I will just take you all into that system, how citizen will be able to help the system. Okay, now if you want to know what is happening in that particular ward in your own area, you can click on any of the wards of your choice. Now this will give you entire details of that particular ward and who is your cooperator, and which are the localities coming inside that ward and what is the population. Now if you want to know how many projects are happening in that particular ward, it gives you 87 total projects which are happening. If you want to know all the details of this particular ward, you can click on this view details. It will give you entire with work code, which is the project and what is happening in that ward. You can go and click on any, this is view and this is comments. Now you want to view what is this project all about, who is the contractor, who is the chief engineer, what is the expenditure, you can see it here. This is being fed by BBMP engineers themselves, which is taken 1.5 years, and they have gone through the training, and this is done by them. It is not done by us, it is done by the BBMP engineers themselves. Now, if you want to know more details, you will have all the details here, and this is how the project was started. You will have all the details how it was, and these are the photographs which are coming. And today we have also enabled mobile, that remote eye monitoring system, where every citizen can download the application on his mobile phone, take the photograph and upload to the site. So it will come directly. Now this is how inspections are done. And the latest photograph is how this road has been done. So stage by stage, engineers have taken that pain of uploading the photograph, so the citizens can see what is the kind of work happening right on online. And in the same project, if you want to do comments, if you feel you want to upload photograph, you want to give your comments, you can go click on this. You need to give your name, you need to give your phone number or mobile number, email address, and write your comments. So this will go directly to the project. So every citizen will be able to help BBMP in putting their comments, so that they look into it and they take actions on that. Now this is for the ward total, and this is for all the 198 wards. 33,000 projects are available for every citizen to see in his own locality and make the comments. Now the same thing, it's not only for the ward, whatever is happening from the head office is also available here. So people can see what are the projects from the head office of BBMP happening. There are chief engineers in BBMP head office also, which details are here. Now this portal is not only for every citizen to only give complaints or whatever. You can give your feedback, suggestions, all whatever you feel like improving your own locality.